Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x80073cfb. And basically what this error code is that the Xbox app is not updating. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is just go ahead and just restart your PC, because it's the simplest fix and it fixes so many issues. So go ahead and just restart your PC or laptop, whatever it is, and check to see if that fixes the issue. If that does not fix the issue, the second method you guys can try doing is open up the Xbox app. Once the app is open, go ahead and wait for it to load. Go ahead and go into the top left where your username would be, and then just go ahead and sign out of your account. Once you sign out, go ahead and just sign back in. And oops, what is this? Go ahead and just sign back in into your account, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method I recommend doing is try to update your game from here, because it says manage recent installation. So let's just say you have the game updated but it's still not working. Go ahead and just delete the update from here, and then go ahead and download it again from here as well. But the fourth or the third method I recommend doing is go ahead and just delete the app itself, because once you re-download the app, the app will automatically be downloaded with the latest installation slash update, so you don't even have to bother updating it. So that will automatically fix the issue. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.